Hey loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you're returning, hey girl, how you doing? My name is Wynne G, and today I'm showing you guys how I styled this really pretty curly ginger wig. I installed her. I did a little ball cap situation, okay? It's summertime, it's giving spring. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I've been trying to play with a little color lately, so it's giving. Today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hair. They sent me over this wig. All the details will be down below in the description bar. The color, the length, the texture, the link, honey, a discount code, all of the things will be right below in the description bar. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video, and let's get right into it. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's tutorial. Again, all the information about this hair will be down below in the description bar, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. If you guys want to see first dibs on all of the content that I'll be posting, make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I put everything there first for the most part. Thank you again to Nadula for working with me. I am loving this hair. I'm excited to see how it looks straightened too, so stay tuned for that. I may do like a little styling video later. So make sure that you're subscribed if you're new. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye, babes.